Welcome to the video series of Visual Basic programming language. Visual Basic is fun doing it. But before we get started, let's take a look at who should be interested into this course. Because different programming languages offer different features. So, if you are the right kind of person for this course, you should look forward. Otherwise, just move on. If you are new to programming, this is the best language for you because it is designed for simplicity and you'll have no problem learning all the fundamentals of programming in Visual Basic. If you are a school student and you are interested into programming, you should look into this course as well. If you are a computer application student, this is a must-take course because when you are writing computer applications, you don't want to get into the complexity of the programming language itself, and Visual Basic is very simple so that you can focus on your application. If you are a computer engineering student and you have some projects, you can do those kind of projects in Visual Basic because in that case also you'll be focusing more on the functionalities and the features that you are offering in your project and not the complexity of the programming language, because you'll take a few weeks to learn Visual Basic, and then if you practice it well, you'll be able to write the whole project in Visual Basic. And if you're a web developer, Visual Basic offers a lot of features using ASP.NET. So you should take a look at Visual Basic at once and decide whether to go with it or not. And at the end, if you are a mobile application developer and if you want to develop mobile applications for Windows, Visual Basic is a good platform. If you are any of the above, Visual Basic is a perfect match for you. Even if you are not above these people, you may want to take a look at Visual Basic because it is simple and you won't waste time in it and you'll obviously learn a lot.